Bandicoots are small to medium-sized marsupials that belong to the family Perimelidae, which is found in Australia, New Guinea, and surrounding islands. They are named after their pointed snouts, which resemble a bandicoot snout. There are around 20 species of bandicoots, including the long-nosed bandicoot, southern brown bandicoot, and eastern barred bandicoot. Bandicoots are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night. They are omnivorous, feeding on a variety of insects, small mammals, reptiles, and fruits. Bandicoots have a distinctive hopping gait and are able to run at relatively high speeds for their size. They are marsupials, which means they give birth to underdeveloped young, which then develop further in a pouch. Bandicoots have a relatively short lifespan, with most species living between 2 and 5 years in the wild. Many species of bandicoots are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, predation by introduced predators, and competition for resources with other animals. Some species of bandicoots are used for research, particularly in the study of reproduction and development. Bandicoots have a unique reproductive system. Females have 2 uteri and can mate with multiple males. After mating, the fertilized eggs travel to the uterus and are stored in a structure called the bicornuate uterus. The female can then choose which embryos to implant and which to delay until conditions are more favorable for the young to survive. The term bandicoot is sometimes used colloquially in Australia to refer to a person who steals or scrounges for food. Some species of bandicoots, such as the desert bandicoot, are able to survive in extremely arid environments by obtaining all the water they need from their food. Bandicoots have a keen sense of smell, which they use to locate prey and avoid predators. Bandicoots play an important role in ecosystem functioning by controlling populations of insects and other small animals. Some species of bandicoots are able to jump up to 3 meters in a single bound, making them highly effective at escaping predators. In addition to being threatened by habitat loss, bandicoots are also susceptible to disease, such as toxoplasmosis, which can be transmitted to them by feral cats. The bilby, which is sometimes referred to as the rabbit-eared bandicoot, is a close relative of the bandicoot and is also found in Australia. The bilby is an important cultural symbol for many Indigenous Australians. Bandicoots have been featured in a number of cultural works, including the video game character Crash Bandicoot, who is loosely based on a bandicoot but has a highly stylized appearance. Overall, bandicoots are fascinating animals that are important members of many Australian ecosystems. Despite facing many threats, there are ongoing efforts to protect and conserve these unique marsupials.